welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be taking a holistic approach and truly understanding the problem at its root. And as the title suggests, the problem here is acne. There are tons of videos on what face masks, face packs, face creams, face washes to apply to get rid of acne and acne scars. But it is really important to understand that most of the acne that shows up on your skin is the direct result of what's going on in your liver. The buildup of toxins in your liver can cause a lot of skin problems. So, if your diet is not the best, for example, if you're eating a lot of processed sugar or deep fried foods or any kind of processed foods, because there's this extra buildup of bad stuff going on in the liver, it will tend to purge all that onto your skin. So, whether we like it or not, if you're suffering from serious acne problems, we must pay equal attention to both internal and external care and fight acne inside out. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 3 magic drinks that's going to help your skin stay acne free, and also 3 face packs that's going to reduce any acne scars and also help you get rid of any acne. Because it's the combination of both that's going to actually help you get rid of your acne 100%. But before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Adding the juice of a lemon into your morning glass of water with apple cider vinegar. We all love vitamin C in our skincare, but when you drink vitamin C, it helps you with boosting your immunity. And also one of the main role of vitamin C is the production of collagen, which gives you that bouncy, youthful skin. Now, the magic in apple cider vinegar is all about something called acetic acid. It helps to balance out the pH level in our stomach so that all the good stuff that we eat and drink can be actually absorbed by the body. You can mix these two in warm water and have it in the mornings. Moving on to drink number 2, turmeric and milk. There are thousands of studies and research from thousands of years to prove how beneficial turmeric is for your skin and body. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, and this is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. So by consuming turmeric, you'll basically be nipping the acne at its bud so that it doesn't show up in the first place. You can add a pinch of pepper because pepper helps your body to better absorb all the benefits of turmeric, boosting it about 2000%. Use cinnamon powder for flavor. Avoid using cow's milk because that is adding to the hormones. You can use nut milks instead, like almond milk or oat milk. So heat all that up in a vessel. You can also add honey or maple syrup for sweetness. And the last drink, green tea. Green tea has a substance called catechins. These substances have antibiotic, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They also attack free radicals. Green tea also has properties that have proven to reduce acne and oil in the skin. Bottom line is, green tea is a natural healthy substance that will help you reduce your acne breakouts. Now moving on to face packs. The first mask I want to mention is the honey and aloe vera mask. First of all, honey is really moisturizing to your skin, and it is amazing when it comes to removing the impurities and oil from your pores. Aloe vera gel on the other hand, other than treating your acne, this really goes deep to treat your scars. It moisturizes your skin and also replenishes your skin cells. Making this mask is really simple. You just have to keep the exact ratio of both honey and aloe vera gel. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off with cool water. This over time fades your acne marks and repairs any scars, especially if you have any damaged tissue. If you don't have an aloe vera plant, that is totally fine. You can use an aloe vera gel that you get in the market. The second face mask is aloe vera, turmeric and lemon. These three are like best buddies because they work so freaking well together. Lemon has citric acid and vitamin C, which lightens and brightens your skin. Turmeric has such great anti-inflammatory properties. In a clinical trial, they tried it on a lot of people's acne and acne scars, and they noticed that turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties actually reduced the redness and the swelling that people had on their faces. So to make this mask, we are going to need 2 spoons of lemon juice, 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Mix it well and then apply it on your face. Wait for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. And the third face pack is yogurt and lemon. Curd is the most effective for fighting acne because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only removal of acne, curd also works magic to get rid of those stubborn acne scars. Mix few drops of lemon juice along with the curds. This will reduce any scars on your face and make it soft and supple. This combination also works great to promote the growth of new skin cells. I've shared 3 types of healthy drinks and 3 face packs because all of our skin type is different, right? What worked really well for me may not be that effective for you, but these are all 100% natural and doesn't have any side effects. So you can try out these and let me know in the comment section below what worked well for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, stay safe and see you guys in my next vlog.